Hi there, binary options traders. My name is AJ, and today I'm going to be showing you a USD CAD 60-second option that I placed on July the 8th, 2012. It was a put option for a market price of 1.01934 with a target price of 1.01946, so just over a 1 pip winner. It was a put option with a $24 investment expiring below for 40.80. And so I'm just going to get into the chart work with you and lead you and show you why this was a good trade. So as you can see over here, I have my MetaTrader chart, and price had been steadily moving down at this time, but while it had been moving down, it had been sort of ranging, going up and down, and really bouncing off of this MR1 support line. The MR1 is it's a medium resistance one pivot plot that's plotted by the pivot point. Some pivot indicator calculators plot as well. In addition to the 3 resistances and 3 supports, they also do medium supports and medium resistances, 3 of each. So you can find indicators online that can plot those for you, and I've been using them a lot recently in favor and instead of the Fibo pivot indicator that I used to be using a lot, because I do find that price does react to these levels on occasion. Not always. I find that the main supports and resistances definitely do play into the price, but but sometimes, as you can see right over here, it does play into the price moving up and down. And so having it on your chart plotted there, it's not going to hurt anybody. It's still using the same CPU power that it had used before, so might as well plot it in there. Anyway, so as you can see by this other indicator that had been plotted, the trend was moving down, and basically where I placed my trade was right after this candle. I placed a trade right over here and it sunk. And so if you look over here, right over here, and it sunk. So very nice. 1 pip, more than 1 pip winner. And the reason I placed it was, again, if you saw the previous video, I was using the Forex prediction indicator, and basically the sellers started becoming very, very heavy on the seller side comparatively to the buyer side. Usually you'll see in the market when it's sort of in consolidation or moving back and forth, you'll see maybe 55 to 45 or some like small numbers within 10% of each other. But when you see a large gap, like this is almost 80% here, so that becomes a very good indicator that price will probably head in the opposite direction. And of course, as you can see, green candle up and move down. So I guess the lesson to take away is use your market information. I used to use, and I still use on occasion, tick charts to monitor data. I'm using this Forex prediction indicator to give me an idea of what's going on. And so you can use a ton of different ideas and monitoring market flow and just seeing what the trends are. And you can use that to your advantage to a better profit, especially in the 60-second binaries where it's so volatile. You really want to put everything in your favor. Alright, that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to remind you to like, comment, share, and subscribe these videos as well as the videos over at the Happy Forexer channel. Don't forget, if you don't have already a 24 option account, you can click the link in the description down below. It'll take you to 24 option where you'll fund the account, and then you can ask for a demo account, which will allow you to practice over and over again all kinds of strategies, whether it's for 60-second binaries, 15-minute expiries, 1 hour, end of day, or end of week expiries, depending on what you like to trade. And so using all the information that you find, whether it's from this channel or other channels or just from reading or whatever, you can hopefully profit from binary options as well. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.